$30,000. That is less than the average new car transaction price in 2026. It is less than a base Honda Pilot. And yet, right now, $30,000 can put you behind the wheel of a Porsche, a BMW M car, a Chevrolet, Corvette, a Mercedes, not base model poverty specs, not high mileage beaters. Actual legitimate luxury sports cars with real performance, real prestige, and real driving experiences for the price of a family crossover. Today, we are counting down the 10 best luxury sports cars you can buy for under $30,000 in 2026. And I promise you, number 1 is going to make you question every car buying decision you have ever made. Before we get into it, number 3 on this list is a car that driving journalists have called the best handling machine of its entire decade. And it costs less than a loaded Toyota RAV4. Stick with us. Let's go. Number 10. Most people buying a sports car under 30 grand are looking at Mustangs and Camaros. Smart buyers are looking at this. The Audi S5 Coupe. Specifically the 2019 model year, the last of the B8.5 generation. 349 horsepower from a supercharged 3.0-liter V6. Quattro all-wheel drive. A cabin that still feels like a proper luxury car. And asking prices that have quietly fallen to the high 20s. When new, this car was pushing $55,000. You are now getting it for roughly half price. The supercharged V6 in these cars is smooth, reliable, and sounds genuinely great at full throttle. The things to watch: the supercharger belt can wear, and like most Audis, deferred maintenance will cost you. Find a car with a clean service history, and you are getting a genuinely special machine that most people completely overlooked. Number 9. America built something special, and almost nobody talks about it in the same breath as its European rivals. They should. The Chevrolet Corvette C7 Stingray. The 2014 to 2016 models in particular are now sitting under $30,000 for clean examples. This is a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 producing 455 horsepower in a car that weighs under 3,400 pounds. 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, a top speed of nearly 180 miles per hour, and a JD Power reliability rating of 85 out of 100, which is genuinely impressive for a performance car at this price. The Corvette C7 is the car that embarrassed Europeans, on track and then sold for less than half their price, and now the used market has made it even cheaper. For anyone who wants maximum performance per dollar, nothing on this list touches it. Number 8. A drop-top German roadster for under 30 grand sounds like a fantasy. It is not. The BMW Z4, specifically the 2019 E89 generation, is now regularly available in the high 20s. KBB reports an average used price around $29,000 for base examples. This is a 2-seat convertible Grand Tourer with BMW's silky 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing 255 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, and a chassis that simply makes every road feel more interesting. The Z4 is not the most powerful car on this list, but it might be the most fun to drive on a winding road on a summer evening with the top down. The BMW inline engines are extremely reliable when maintained, and parts availability is excellent. This is a car you buy to enjoy or not to impress, and it will deliver on that promise every single time. Coming up, a mid-engine Porsche for under 30 grand. Yes, really, keep watching. Number 7. Genesis entered the luxury market and immediately built one of the best sports sedans on the planet. Then the used market forgot about it completely. The Genesis G70 with the twin-turbo 3.3-liter V6, 365 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, and a chassis co-developed with the engineers behind the Kia Stinger GT. When this car launched, Car and Driver called it a legitimate rival to the BMW 3 Series. They were right. Used examples of the 2019 G70 3.3T are now available between $22,000 and $28,000. That is a car that cost over $50,000 new, with BMW rivaling performance and Hyundai Group reliability for the price of a used Honda Accord Sport. The only reason this car is this cheap is that nobody knows the Genesis brand yet. That is your opportunity. In 5 years, these will be collector cars. Number 6. If you want to feel like a racing driver every single time you start the engine, this is your car. the Subaru BRZ and its twin, the Toyota GR86. These are the purist's choice. A naturally aspirated 2.4-liter flat four producing 228 horsepower in a car that weighs under 2,800 pounds. The result is a chassis balance so precise, so communicative, that professional drivers use them for training. New examples are right at the $30,000 ceiling. Used 2022 and 2023 models are regularly available between $22,000 and $28,000. And the reliability story is simple. It is a Subaru and Toyota co-developed platform with an engine that will run forever with basic maintenance. This is not the fastest car on this list, but it might be the most rewarding to drive. There is a reason every driving instructor recommends starting here. Number 5. Here is where things get serious. The Porsche Boxster 987. Not the base 986, the 987. Built from 2005 to 2012. A mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, open-top roadster from Porsche. The 987 Boxster S model made up to 310 horsepower and could hit 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Right now, clean 987 Boxsters are available between $15,000 and $28,000. The nationwide average on Cars.com is $27,800. For a mid-engine Porsche, that price is almost embarrassing. What to know? Avoid the early 987.1 cars with the intermediate shaft bearing issue, or buy one that has already had the IMS retrofit done. The 987.2 generation, built from 2009 onwards, has this issue essentially resolved from the factory. Find a good 987.2 Boxster S, and you have a legitimate Porsche sports car for the price of a used Toyota Camry XSE. This is one of the greatest bargains in the entire used car market right now. Quick question, drop it in the comments right now. Convertible or coupe? Which would you take? We read every single comment. Number 4. Speaking of bargains, this might be the most overlooked luxury sports car of the last 20 years. The Infiniti G37 Coupe. A 3.7-liter naturally aspirated V6 producing 330 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, and a suspension tuned with direct input from Nissan's motorsport division. This car was a genuine rival to the BMW 3 Series Coupe when it launched, and it sold for significantly less. Today, clean low-mileage G37 Coupes are available between $12,000 and $22,000. For under 20 grand, you can have a genuinely fast, genuinely beautiful luxury sports coupe with one of the greatest naturally aspirated V6 engines ever put in a production car. The VQ37 engine in these cars is legendary for reliability. 200,000 miles is common with basic maintenance. Parts are cheap and every independent mechanic knows how to work on them. This is the car that automotive journalists whisper about when they are asked what they would actually buy, with their own money. Number 3. And here is the one that will make every driving journalist nod their head. The Porsche Cayman 987. The fixed-roof sibling to the Boxster. Same mid-engine platform, same basic mechanicals, but with a stiffer chassis and better aerodynamics that transforms the driving experience into something genuinely special. Porsche's own engineers privately acknowledged for years that the Cayman's mid-engine layout made it a better handling car than the 911. The 987 Cayman S produced 295 horsepower and could reach 60 in under 5.5 seconds. And right now, clean examples are available from $15,000 to $28,000. Same IMS bearing advice applies here as the Boxster. Target 987.2 generation cars from 2009 onwards. Find one and you have a car that is routinely called one of the best handling machines of the entire 2000s decade for under $30,000. Number 2. Every car on this list has been brilliant in its own way. But this one is different. This one makes people stop and stare. The Jaguar F-Type Coupe, specifically the base V6 models from 2014 to 2016. 340 horsepower from a supercharged V6. A design by Ian Callum that is still one of the most beautiful cars, produced in the last 20 years, and a supercharged exhaust note that makes people crane their necks at traffic lights. Used F-Type V6 coupes from these years are now regularly available between $22,000 and $29,000. The original sticker price was over $65,000. You are getting a car that looks and sounds like something twice the price for the cost of a base Honda CR-V. What to watch for? The early infotainment system is dated, and some owners report electrical gremlins. The supercharged V6 itself is strong when the cooling system is properly maintained. Find a well-kept example, and this car will make you feel special every single day. And number 1, the car that should not exist at this price point. The car that makes everything else on this list feel like a warm-up act. The Mercedes-Benz SL550, specifically the R230 generation, built from 2003 to 2011. A 5.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 producing 382 horsepower. A retractable hardtop that folds in 17 seconds. A cabin of genuine hand-stitched leather and real metal trim that cost over $100,000 when new. This car was the ultimate expression of what Mercedes-Benz could build. Celebrities drove these, executives, people who had made it in every sense of the word, and right now, clean, well-maintained examples are available from $12,000 to $5,000. The reason they are cheap: the ABC active body control suspension is expensive to repair at a dealer. But here is the secret. The aftermarket has completely solved it. Coil spring conversion kits are available for under $2,000, turning the car into a simple, reliable grand tourer. The V8 engine itself is virtually indestructible with proper maintenance. You are looking at a genuine $100,000 Mercedes, a car with presence, performance, and luxury that nothing else on this list can match, for the price of a used Hyundai Tucson. Nothing at this price point comes close, so there you have it. 10 genuine luxury sports cars, all available right now for under $30,000. Cars that were once out of reach, now sitting on used lots being completely ignored by buyers who are paying more for less. The Porsche that costs less than a Camry. The Jaguar that looks like a six-figure car. The Mercedes that was once a symbol of having made it in life. The used car market is giving you a window right now. The question is whether you are smart enough to take it. Which of these 10 would you actually buy? Drop your pick in the comments. 1 through 10, we read every single one. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It helps us make more of these. Subscribe so you do not miss what is coming next. We will see you there.